Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you some fascia movements using the Thera band. So I think most of you might have it at home. If you don't have it, I strongly suggest you buy one because it makes so much difference when we do some simple movements every morning with the band to release our upper body, our neck, our shoulders, even our upper arm. Basically, after we've done that, we would feel like we have greater mobility in our chest, and our neck feels longer and our shoulders feel lower, which is a really good thing. And let's get started. First, we're going to stretch out our palms as if there are two plates here, and then look at my upper arm. They are clipped to my upper body. Okay, so this movement goes like that. It's really simple. Keep the upper arm to the side of our body, and we're just going to do this just like this. Now pay attention to the sensation you might feel the back of your neck across your upper back, linking to your upper arm. You might feel more on one side than the other, and that's perfectly fine. Okay, now just be careful not to do this with the hands. It stays flat. Remember the two plates on our hands. Okay, now let's do it with the Thera band here. So we're going to have it on our hands, and let's do a very gentle, slow, and a small range of motion. We're not going to go very far, and we don't want to go very far here. I'm using a medium strength Thera band here. There's no need to use a strong Thera band. You can even use a light Thera band, and if you do, just narrow the distance a tiny wee bit so that you don't go out of range. We don't want to go too far. Enough to gently stretch across our upper back, involving our infraspinatus and our serratus anterior and posterior. Just do it with me for 5 more times here. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just one thing to note, remember not to use your thumb. So I'm just going to face my palm to the camera and show you, okay? Here you're using your thumb. Try not to. Try to keep your thumb just right next to your index finger and really using your muscle to do the work rather than using your thumb to press on the band and try to stretch it. That's it, really simple. Just keep doing this for like, I don't know, 4 to 10 reps if you like. Each rep maybe you take up to 8 counts, so maybe that's 80 counts altogether. But take a break after each 8 count and you will feel very nice actually across your upper back after this. So see you in the next video. Do the next one. Again, it's really simple to do. Just do it without the band with me. First, we're going to have the hands stretched out like this, okay? And from here, your elbow is fairly straight, not bent. We want it fairly straight here, okay? So with a fairly straight elbow, we're going to stretch across the upper arm through our fingertips here without extending the arm. So here we go. Imagine there's a Thera band there. With a bit of tension, you're just going to pull across like this. Okay, simple enough. Now here comes the next thing. With the Thera band, it's a bit tricky, so you need to know how to loop it against it, okay, against your hands. So here you're going to have it a little bit wider than your shoulders, and you're going to hang it on your thumb, okay? After hanging on your thumb, you're just going to go around it, and there you go. It's like that. So from the side, your arms are fairly straight, but not so tight that you extend your elbow, just fairly straight. And then from here, we are going to start stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, and 8. Now I'm going to continue doing while I explain this. It's very important that you pay attention to the differences in both sides here. Some people, most of us actually, are a lot stronger in one side, and what people tend to do is this, maybe the right side. So try not to do that. Let both sides move equally. Okay, this way you are working on the muscles around the shoulder blades here. So while we strengthen it, we would then have the strength to move our arm, to allow the muscle to hold the shoulder blades where it is, and then our arms can be moved freely. And this way, when we lift our arms up like this, our shoulders won't go along. So for some people, when they're too tight or weak, when they lift their arms, they tend to do this. But this exercise will prevent it. This exercise will make sure our shoulder stays down while the arm comes up. I hope that's helpful, and see you in the next video.